At some point, you've probably been undercut on price when you've submitted a quote to somebody. And I hear this all too often. There are companies that are charging £12 an hour. How am I ever supposed to be able to compete with that? And the truth is, you don't need to, and you shouldn't be trying to. Remember, if you want a high profit, low stress cleaning company that can run without you, we can't be relying on reducing your prices simply to win work. Because then all we're going to be doing is having a low profit. You are failing to convince people that you are better value for money. You are not as good at selling as you should be. I'm not saying that you can overcome every single situation where you get undercut on price. Sometimes that person is just a really good seller and they undercut you on price and they've got a really good reputation and service. But there are times where you should have been able to convince somebody that you are better than a cheaper service and convince them to spend more money with you because they will get better value. And it all comes down to proposition, how you position yourself and how you propose the solution. Because remember, sales is never about cheap versus expensive. It's always about value. So this is why it's your job to tell people, hey, you know that cheap cleaning company that seems too good to be true? It is. Those are the companies where there's hidden costs. And you may think it's cheaper, but the truth is, it's not in the long run. Your job really is to provide great value. And if you can position yourself in a way that provides great value, then expense doesn't matter.